Affirmations of a real be. Hey.
Hype me up.
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 Hey.
I hype me up. I got 99 problems, but I got 100 reasons. If it rains, sleet, or snow, I'ma ball air seeds. Cause I gotta hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up. I hype me up. Say I'm enough.
Pop you. Okay. Over there, can y'all see it? The barbershop. The barbershop. Let's go in there. Yeah. Come on. Hype me up. Hype me up. Let's go. Almost holy faith. We trying to build ourselves up in our most holy faith. Come on, let's get to work.
You just missed one of your somebody will come to support you.
Hey everybody! Okay, so the DIY nail care person is here. We got some clean fades going on, but I come to complete the look. Y'all got clean face, gentlemen, but what your hands looking like? What your hands is looking like?
Hands up here, the hands toe. I see some people hands
Hey, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? I am at V's Valentine's Cuts right here, or V for short. Yeah, right here. These are the barbers. They work it or whatever, but I'm doing my little 1-2 with the DIY nail care education or whatever, letting these barbers and their clients know, you know what I'm saying, as they give their clients a clean fade, you know what I'm saying.
We don't just cut you, we groom. We don't just cut you, we groom.
Hey, no, that's what it is. Also remind their clients or whatever to complete the look, you know what I'm saying. Don't just have them going out with raggedy hands or whatever, say, you know what I'm saying. Because barbers, they be doing manicuring, so you know what I'm saying, they gotta find a way, even though they're not gonna do it, but find a way to encourage, you know what I'm saying, other men and boys or whatever, you know what I'm saying, take care of your whole body, and nails are important. So here's some of the men in a chair, you know what I'm saying, they take care of their nails. You take care of your nails? Yes. All right, yeah, okay, let me see what you got. You know what I'm saying, he keep them short, you know, he keep them clean, you know what I'm saying, nothing major, you know what I'm saying, like, cool, yep. All right. And bro down here, he gonna see me on the 1 and 2 on Monday. You know what I'm saying? Get his hands and feet done or whatever. And we working on daddy. We working on daddy. Right? Yeah. Y'all take care of y'all nails? They were like, I don't know. Let me see your hands. Let me see. Oh, look, he don't want to show me or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Just as you grow up, you know what I'm saying? Like, you like girls? Girls like men with clean hands, nice nails too. So, and you, thank you for the support. You know what I'm saying? You do your nails. Take care of it. All right, y'all. You cool.